Hello everyone, welcome to next section of our video. So in this section we'll see about some more layouts, and basically I'll be discussing about a table layout. Since in the previous section we have seen almost the major layouts which are used most frequently in all your apps, like the linear layout and the relative layout. Here in the coming sections I'll discuss 3 to 4 more layouts which you will be using maybe in some more apps, and where all this fits the requirement. So I'll be discussing about the table layout in this video, and I'll tell you about a small app as well. Develop a small app using this table layout so that you have a better understanding why a table layout is used, and in which all scenario the table layout suits the best for your app. So what is a table layout? So Android table layout is going to be arranged groups of views into rows and columns. So here is the pictorial diagram I have put over here, which shows how a table layout looks like. So you can see over here a table layout basically has group of views into rows and columns. So you can see here a row is there, some columns are there. So whenever you have a requirement, when you need to design some kind of rows or column, a table layout is the perfectly used layout. So you will be using in a table layout you will be using a table row element to build a row in the table, which anyways I'll be showing you in the Android Studio. And each row has 0 or more cells. So each row can have any number of cells starting from 0, and each cell can hold one view object, and each of the cell can hold one view object. By one view object I mean to say anything like a button, a checkbox, a radio button, anything a single row can hold. So table layout containers do not display any borderline for their rows. So once you use the table layout and use a table row, it will not display any borderline for their rows, columns or cells. And then we will be discussing about same as the linear layout and relative layout. The important attribute which is specific to the table layout is the Android ID element, because that ID uniquely defines a table layout. And here you can see over here, this is a demo kind of pictorial diagram I have designed of an app where they have a first name, last name, some rating for the app, and a submit button. So you can say these are 2 rows, then again a row. So for this kind of app we are using a table layout. In the next section I'll discuss about a simple calculator app, and this we will be designing using a table layout. So thank you, and let's see you in the next section.